Hi friends, welcome to That With Kids Educational Channel. Today's topic is about oceans. Oceans. The Earth's surface is approximately covered with 71% water and contains 5 oceans. They are 1 Pacific Ocean, 2 Atlantic Ocean, 3 Indian Ocean, 4 Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, 5 Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. The word Pacific means peaceful, coming from Latin pace. It is the biggest and deepest ocean, covered 30% of the Earth's surface. It is located west of North and South America and east of Asia and Australia. Most of the islands are found in Pacific Ocean. There are more than 25,000. Most of the volcanoes, up to 75%, are located in the Pacific Ocean basin. Is called Ring of Fire. Interesting fact about Pacific Ocean. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system in the Pacific Ocean, off the northeastern coast of Australia. Atlantic Ocean. The word Atlantic originates from Greek mythology, means Sea of Atlas. It is located between America and Europe and Africa. It is the second biggest ocean and covers 25% of the Earth's surface. Indian Ocean. The name originates from the location around Indian Peninsula. It is located between Africa and Australasia and Southern Ocean. It is the third biggest ocean and covers 20% of the Earth's surface. Southern Ocean. It is also referred to as the Antarctic Ocean, South Polar Ocean, or Austral Ocean. It is located in the southern hemisphere, south of 60 degrees south latitude. It is fourth biggest ocean and covers 6% of the Earth's surface. Southern Ocean is home to the emperor penguins, wandering albatrosses, blue whales, and fur seals. Arctic Ocean. The word Arctic derives from Greek word arctos, means bear. It is located in the northern hemisphere, north of 60 degrees north latitude, and the borders of the Eurasian and North American continents. It is the smallest ocean and covers 3% of the Earth's surface. It has thick ice in the winter, and in the summer ice breaks into many floes. The Arctic Ocean is home to polar bear, whales, walruses, and seals. In Churchill in northern Canada, there are more polar bears in summer than people. Other popular attractions for the visitors to the polar region are the Northern Lights. It is also called Aurora Borealis. Today's quiz. Question 1. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Indian Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Antarctic Ocean. Answer B. Pacific Ocean. Question 2. Which ocean lies between Europe and North America? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Antarctic Ocean. Answer A. Atlantic Ocean. Question 3. Which ocean is frozen for much of the year? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Antarctic Ocean. Answer C. Arctic Ocean. Thanks for watching That With Kids Educational Channel. If you love my video, thumbs up, share, subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.